FTC sends $126 million in refunds to Fortnite players who were charged for unwanted items. Hey everyone, what if a simple button press cost you real money? Well, that's exactly what the FTC says happened to thousands of Fortnite players, and refunds are now rolling out. In a historic move, the Federal Trade Commission is distributing around $126 million to Fortnite users who were charged for unwanted in-game purchases. Here's what happened. From January 2017 to September 2022, Fortnite employed design tactics, also known as dark patterns, that led to accidental or unintended purchases with just one press of a button. They even charged for purchases when the game was waking from sleep mode, loading, or during previews. Parents were also impacted. Between 2017 and 2018, kids made unauthorized purchases on their credit cards, and players who disputed charges were reportedly locked out of their content. This comes from a larger $520 million settlement agreed in December 2022, which included a $275 million COPPA penalty and $245 million in refunds. To date, over 629,000 payments totaling roughly $72 million have gone out, averaging around $114 per eligible player. Now let's talk about how you can actually get your money back. If you or your kids were charged for items in Fortnite that you didn't mean to buy between January 2017 and September 2022, then you might be eligible for a refund. This includes accidental purchases, unauthorized charges made by kids, or even if your account got locked after disputing a charge. And the best part? The process is super simple. So, how do you actually file your Fortnite refund claim for the FTC settlement? The process is honestly super easy. First, head over to the official website ftc.gov/Fortnite and choose Apply for a refund. Now, if you received an email from the FTC with a claim ID, select Yes and click Next. Then, just enter your claim ID. Complete the CAPTCHA, and move forward. But if you didn't get an email, no worries. You can still file using your Epic account ID. Go to Epic Games' website, log in, then click on your profile, then select Account, and at the top, you'll find your Epic ID. Copy it, return to the FTC refund page, paste it in twice, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit Next. If you're eligible, you'll be taken to a screen asking for details about your Fortnite purchases made during the eligible period. Just follow the on-screen steps until you get a final confirmation. If you hit a roadblock or get an error, you can always reach out using the support email listed on the site. And that's it. Quick, simple, and potentially worth real money in your pocket. But don't wait too long. The deadline to claim your refund is July 9th, 2025. And if you have questions or need help, you can call the FTC directly or email them at admin@fortniterefund.com.